Okay, so moving on from question 45, which is in the previous video, and on to question 46, which is about the same. In this one here, we've been asked to use trigonometry. Let me use the highlighter. We've been asked to use trigonometry to find the length of AB and BC, given that AC equals 100 centimeters and angle A is 60. So
100 centimeters is 3.28 feet.
Siri, I didn't ask you that. Right. Then, so what we do, first of all, we need to find that triangle. And that triangle ABC is somewhere down here. So that's triangle ABC. So let's just go over this triangle again. Maybe use blue for it. So I'm gonna go through that. That's AC, that's BC, that's AB or BA, and that's A, angle A, that's B, and that's C, and AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. Okay, we might need that as well. So I'm just going to copy it from here. Okay, copy it. And then I'm going to place it. Where is the question? The question is here. Question 46 is there, so I will need some space at a page here. Now I've got the space here. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so there it is. Paste it there. Then I can remove that. I can remove that. I can remove that. And I can just add the fact that this is a right angle. Okay, so what are we finding? Let's go back to the question 46. He said find the length of AB. So we're finding AB. So AB equals question mark, which is that. And then we're finding BC. BC equals question mark, and BC is that. And we are given that AC is 100 centimeters. So AC equals 100 cm, which is 100 centimeters. And we're told that angle A is 60. So angle A equals 60 degrees. So this actually is 60 degrees. Okay. So how do we find A, B, B, C? How do we do that? So first thing we can do is to work with what we have. So what do we have? We have, let's just put this into perspective. So if this is 90 degrees and then this is 60 degrees, it means that this side AB is the adjacent side. And it means that the side BC is opposite. So it's opposite side. And this side here is the hypotenuse, its size height. Now we know that if we're trying to find an adjacent, for example, but with a hypotenuse and an angle, we can use the fact that the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse side is the cos of the angle. So let's call that angle A for now. So adjacent side is what we need. We have the hypotenuse and the cos of the A. So what is the hypotenuse? It's 100 centimeters times what is the cosine of 60? We can go back to here and find the cosine of 60. So to find cosine of 60, we go to cos, which is that, and 60 degrees, and the answer is half. So cosine of 60 is half. So let's go back here and say that this is equal to 100 times half, which is 50 centimeters. So the adjacent side, or AB equals 50 centimeters. So now we need to find, I'm going to make this pencil a bit smaller. Now we need to find the opposite side, or BC. So to find BC, we can either use the fact that AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. So what are we looking for BC? So BC squared equals AC squared, take away, in fact, let's see, yeah, take away AB squared. Because all we have done is have taken the BC squared, left it here, and taken the AB squared to become minus AB squared. And then I've just swapped them around. So this was originally on this side. I've just swapped it to that side, which is what I have here. Well, which is the opposite of what I have there. So BC squared equals, so what is AC? AC is 100, so it's going to be 100 squared. Take away AB, we found to be 50 squared. Okay, so that's BC squared. But if we want BC, we find the square root of BC squared. And then we find the square root of 100 squared minus 50 squared. So BC is equal to, let's find the calculator for this one. Okay, calculator is not near, so let's find it. And then let's bring back. So we want to have, what is it, 100 squared. So 100 squared minus 50 squared, and then we find the square root. So that's 86.6. So BC is 86.6. Okay, let's make that smaller. BC is 86.6 centimeters. Okay, the other method we could have used, let me change the color of the pen, is the fact that if we have opposite side over hypotenuse, it's sine. So opposite side over the hypotenuse is sine of the angle, which is opposite, sine of angle A. So the opposite side, which we're looking for, is equal to the hypotenuse term, the sine of A. The hypotenuse is 100 centimeters. Multiply that, I might make this pencil a little bit thicker. So 100 and multiply by sine of 60. And then let's find sine of 60. Sine of 60, we can use this to find it. So sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. It's root 3 over 2, so we go back to here and replace that 100 times root 3 over 2. The 2 could cancel and we get 50. So that becomes, looks like I need more space here. I just need another page. So this is equal to what? To 100. In fact, it's to 50 root 3. And if we do 50, and let me leave that there. we do 50 root 3, we get 86.060245, which is exactly the same as the other one. So the answer is 86.6 centimeters, or you can leave it in that form. I hope that is clear. Right, so we leave it here for now.